Intermittent fasting has always been more than a method for weight loss. It is a rhythm that shaped human history, sharpening the mind, strengthening the body, and bringing clarity to thought. Today, science explains why fasting transforms not only the physical body, but also the brain, focus, and motivation. Across centuries, fasting was seen as a path to healing and clarity. Ancient cultures noticed that long hours without food made the mind sharper and decisions clearer. Spiritual practices preserve this knowledge, and now modern science reveals the biological truth behind it. During fasting, the brain activates powerful protective mechanisms. Levels of BDNF rise, supporting memory, learning, and emotional balance. Inflammation decreases, allowing thoughts to become clearer. The mind shifts into a state of heightened awareness, often described as calm focus. Fasting also affects the brain's reward system. When the body isn't constantly stimulated by food, dopamine sensitivity increases. This creates a natural dopamine detox, a reset that helps restore motivation, discipline, and mental strength. This state is sometimes referred to as brain fasting, a period where the mind rests from overstimulation and reconnects with clarity and balance. Autophagy clears damaged cells while the brain undergoes its own renewal, reduced oxidative stress, stronger neural pathways, and more stable emotions. It is a deep reset that affects every layer of health. Fasting lowers insulin, increases fat burning, and boosts metabolic flexibility. The body begins using stored energy more efficiently. Over time, cravings decrease, energy becomes steady, and fat burning becomes natural. Intermittent fasting begins with choosing consistent eating and fasting windows. As the body adapts, hunger stabilizes, energy rises, and mental clarity becomes more noticeable. These rhythms help both the body and brain enter a state of discipline and renewal. Commitment becomes stronger with structure. Tracking progress in a simple notebook strengthens discipline and awareness. A calendar filled with fasting days builds momentum, each mark becoming proof of consistency. Writing down fasting hours, energy levels, and mood creates a personal roadmap that keeps motivation always when the journey feels challenging. These tools turn fasting into a lifestyle, a rhythm the body recognizes and the mind grows comfortable following. Intermittent fasting is a reset for both mind and body, a rhythm that awakens clarity, cleans the cells, resets dopamine, and strengthens discipline. When supported by structure, a notebook, a calendar, a moment to reflect, the journey becomes easier, deeper, and more rewarding. It is a reminder that transformation begins not by adding more, but by giving the body and mind the space to renew themselves.